America, this one's gonna be good. What is going on, my friends, my family, my members of the Electric Empire? Welcome back to another video. Everyone, let me just say it's great to have you back again. Hopefully you guys are doing well, and let me just say, happy 4th of July. Well, hold on. The date that this video is gonna be uploaded actually isn't 4th of July, but it's almost 4th of July. So, happy almost 4th of July. Now, I know I have a lot of international subscribers, so if you guys don't know what 4th of July is, it's basically America's Freedom Day. It's the day that we celebrate our independence. More importantly, it's a day where we cook a lot. Hot dogs, burgers, ribs, cornbread. I don't know why I keep thinking about cornbread right now. We get our grill on, we have a great time on 4th of July, and you know what? Come to think of it, there are also a few specialty items out in the food world right now, which are making me pretty hungry. And some of them are actually 4th of July themed. This works perfectly. Can't wait to get some Krispy Kreme! Did I say too much? Anyways, everyone, enough blabbering. Let's go get us some food. So first things first, we gotta go. These damn cars, be quiet! I'm trying to talk here. First order of business, so we gotta go get the goods. I'm the cool kid now because I'm bringing a Target bag into Walmart. Good job, Erik. Gotta be patriotic here. We get our flags. Shout out to Walmart #1 for not having anything.
A few moments later.
Got a good feeling about this.
Eventually.
Absolutely ridiculous. They had nothing. That was a waste of an hour. Round 2. Time to get some Sonic. I haven't been to Sonic in literally like 10,000 years. Sonic. This is pretty all-American, I guess. Snapchat crew. Guess where we are, people. Oh yeah. If you guys haven't already, you gotta follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. ErikTheElectric. Twitter too, because I inform everybody first where we're at and what we're doing. Hi there, how are you? Let's do 2 plain hot dogs, please. We'll do 1 all-American hot dog and 1 pretzel hot dog, please. 2 medium tots, please.
Are you gonna eat your tots?
Oh, your total's gonna be $14.91, thank you.
All right, thank you. Hi there, I actually just wanted to place an order for carryout, please. Do you guys have ribs?
Yeah, we have pork ribs.
Okay, how much is a full rack?
That's what she said.
$26.99.
And how much is a half rack?
$16.99.
Let's go with the half rack, please. Do you guys have cornbread as well?
We have little cornbread muffins.
Let me do 6 of those, please. And then, would you mind adding some extra butter with the muffins?
Okay. Alright, sounds good, Erik.
All right, thanks so much. We're about to get us some barbecue.
And it is the 2 plain hot dogs.
I just had to pick up order.
Erik?
Yeah. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. Next and final stop. And here we are. Did you guys think, honestly, that I wouldn't be going here? Gotta get us some deliciousness in the form of donuts for this video, okay? You guys have your 4th of July donuts?
Yes, we do.
I'm gonna get a dozen of those, please. Actually, just 1 additional one of those on the side. So technically 13, but can you just put it in a separate bag? Oh, man, your strawberries and cream looks amazing. You know what? Never mind. I'm good. I had to restrain myself. I think this is the homie that always fucks me up. What up, dude? I'm about to film a 4th of July challenge, man.
Yeah.
These guys know. There you go, man. Thanks, dude. You have a good day, all right? We are set to go, everybody. Let's get this home and get this presentable. Whew. Well, folks. Oh, wait, that's not all of it. Boom. Look at all of this deliciousness. But more importantly, we gotta take care of this right here. So 1 second. Let me transform. Ready? Still here. Just kidding. Just messing with you. But let's do it one more time. 3, 2, and 1. Where did Erik go? Like always, people, I got the magic tricks. What can I say? Look at that, people. You guys know where you can find the Electric Empire shirts. Down below in the store. I did get some different stuff at the store because, you know, I just want to keep you guys in suspense. So, boom. Rice Krispie, red, white, and blue, limited edition. You guys know how I feel about limited edition. I feel strongly about limited edition items. Ranch. I feel so patriotic right now. This is just great. It is fantastic. I look like a fucking idiot with this. Ready? No, I don't think you guys are ready. What can I say, people? Look at this deliciousness. These are the the patriotic donuts of peace, aka the all new limited edition 4th of July donuts from Krispy Kreme. Look at that, people. Put this to the side. I actually know where I'm going to put this. These are the all-new Star-Spangled Cupcakes. That's cute. Dots. Cornbread muffins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And all the vegans that still watch me are probably gonna unsubscribe right now. Fail. One more time. Those are some baby back ribs right there, people.
Baby back ribs.
This is American Dream. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh, of course. This is not coffee, people, this is tea. Big shout out to everybody that participated in the Boston Tea Party, okay, or else we wouldn't be here today. At least I don't think we would be. Dude. Oh my goodness, it looks beautiful. Let me just tell you that kind of messes with me right here. Like this donut mountain thing that I've just built is kind of messing with me. So you know what? I thought I'd be a cool kid and I'd get a 13th donut. And we just pop it right on top just like that. Do you see this, people? Please tell me you're seeing what I'm seeing because this is amazing. This is fast food wizardry, okay? I'm a wizard in a camouflage headband right now, okay? So now is the perfect time for me to say that the total calories for this entire meal, those are gonna be listed like let's just do it right there for you guys, okay? Fat, carbs, sodium, fiber, even, and all of this, which is really, really hard to believe. But just in case you guys wanna see everything, the total macros are gonna be listed like right there, all right? This is the Great American 4th of July Food Feast. Let's get to it. Oh, don't mind me just heating up the food for once. And I decided I'm gonna do some Reese's tonight as well. Oh, look at that. Oh, ooh, I like this a lot. This is good. If I haven't said it enough, people, I really, really, really enjoy what I do. It's great. Even more, I've been working on my speed, people. You know what? And why not just break out the timer for a little variety? How about that on this challenge? How about that? We gotta keep the calories minimal, actually liquid calories minimal. And I forgot to mention, Nathan's famous World Hot Dog Eating Championship at Coney Island happens every year on the 4th of July. It's one of the big reasons why I started competitive eating and doing my crazy eating stuff, so kudos to everybody that's going to compete this year. So how about this? We're gonna see how quick we can semi-casually eat these. 30 seconds will start. So when this timer hits 30, we will begin. Can't I ever just, oh my goodness. Erik, you idiot. 3, 2, and 1. Let's do this. Amazing. So amazing that I can't speed eat these guys, I'm sorry. They're too good. Woo! Like guys, have you ever just wanted to eat a donut so fast? I typically eat donuts so fast. We all have to have a moment with the donut. Have the moment. Was that a good enough moment? Maybe it was too fast. One more time. One more time. That was probably still too fast. How about something in like super slow motion? Let's try it. This speed thing, man, it doesn't really matter at the end of the day. I do prefer eating fast anyways, just, you know, personality thing. Just in case you guys were wondering, these are amazing. If I haven't said enough already, I'd give them an 8 out of 10. Remember guys, always treat your donuts with love. Well, talk about the slowest time to ever eat a dozen donuts in my entire life. I wasn't even eating it fast, guys. My mind changed when I bit into that delicious donut. Sometimes I just want to enjoy it. And here are the ribs for this evening. I haven't had ribs in forever. Cheers. Ugh. Ribs are actually pretty good, guys. I mean, I gotta give Dickie's credit here. I should take that back. I'm calling a fan on these. Man. Finger licking good, even though this is not KFC. It's the first thing that came to my mind. Ribs are all done. Oh gosh, I feel like a medieval knight. All right, people, this is the pretzel dog. It's actually pretty good. We all knew it was coming though, people. We had to exhausterize this sooner or later, so that's just what we're doing right now. Exhaustification. Oh goodness gracious, look at that. Exhaustification. I got it on a cornbread muffin, but oh well. Fire! And now we're gonna go for this one. I think this is the Chicago dog. Guys, I just have to be straight up right now. I don't really like hot dogs, but I did it because it's the 4th of July. Kinda have to eat hot dogs on the 4th of July. Oh well. Doing it for you, right? I gotta know, guys, down below, tell me what you guys eat on the 4th of July every single year. Typically, I eat my burgers, but as I said, this month, I've eaten way too many burgers. Hot dogs are down. Just gotta get rid of these tater tots. Why am I buying any ketchup? These are amazing. And now I gotta know, are you guys team tater tot or team french fry? That's a very controversial question, I have to say. I never use my barbecue sauce, man! Are you kidding me? There's calories in this. Bro! How have I never dipped a tater tot in barbecue sauce before? This is the W-O-W moment for the video. Whew. I kind of feel bad that my ice cream is now probably soup, but we gotta get into this. American Dream, one of my favorites. Look at you. Oh, goodness. There goes 3 calories. Shout out to the home. There's the ambulance to come and get me after this food coma, as usual. People, look at that. Look at the inside. How could you not love this stuff? No hesitation. And now we have these. Before we get to that, got a little surprise for you guys. Just so you guys know, I have my fair share of haters and, you know, people out there in the world that want me to fail, and that's completely fine. But I'm gonna do whatever it takes to keep my electric empire moving in full force. Those of you out there that doubt me or want my channel to fail, well, it's too bad, because I'm gonna continue doing what I love to do, and that's making great content on YouTube. I found this one to be rather fitting for the challenge this evening. Are you racist? All you be saying is all American. Do 1 million calories in 7 days, you dumb head bitch. My man Nico Bellic from Grand Theft Auto has made an appearance in the comment section. Nico says, and this is how to get diabetes, kids. How about we start a donate 100,000 calories to a food bake challenge? Let's help others. Every time Erik with a CK eats, he has a face of discomfort. I will never be good enough for the internet, people. I'll never be good for those out there that want to doubt me. And so that's why I kind of just throw my hands in the air and say, you know what? I'm gonna focus on myself. Erik, you don't even look like you lift. Good video, brother. Thanks. Let's get to these. Hostess has completely reinvented the wheel. Once again, people, it's fire. There we go. Whew. Forgot about Goku down here. Donuts are done, folks. These have always been favorites of mine. Oh my goodness, people, just take that moment and hit that thumbs up button if you guys are with me on the Reese's Love right now, as I know a lot of you are. We also got some good old butter right here. Butter, like my girl Honey Boo Boo says. To America and beyond. I could just quote a Buzz Lightyear. We're just totally gonna get spiced up here. Spread Reese's just like so. Don't let Reese's fall. Important step in the process. This is gonna break apart on me. And this is that special moment in the video I can go, fitness! Fitting this whole cornbread Reese's muffin in my mouth. Bro. W-O-W moment. And then we got butter and Reese's spreads. Oh man. Cornbread muffin, we're gonna spice it up just like that. These are actually brought to me by my boy Kyle. Came out to the latest restaurant challenge. Shout out to you, Kyle. You are amazing. Without you guys, I wouldn't be anything. That is sensational right there, people. Heavy breathing. Heavy breathing. Erik looks like shit, but he is a great eater. You know, Rocco, thank you. I don't know what is with these types of compliments. Why do 425,000 people watch this guy? I may have a way with words or something, because I kind of just convinced you to click on the video and make that comment. So technically you just watched me. Ooh! Fireworks, fireworks. That was for 4th of July. Can you eat like that? You will eventually die soon, really soon. Well, Omar the bestest. It's kind of interesting that you choose to actually talk to somebody like that. I wonder how you would react if someone told you you were going to die soon. Oh, damn it. Health and fitness. Oh my gosh, dude. Talk about health and fitness right now, people. Look at that. That is a work of art. Last but not least, we have our cereal. That is a cereal moment right there. Milk pour time. It's already making little crackle sound thingies. Just listen to it. I mean, gosh, that's, ooh. America, America. All right, people, try this out. And I realized there's like no sugar in this.
Don't judge me for what I'm about to do. I did this all the time as a kid.
That's all I could actually eat my Rice Krispies. Put some sugar on it. Pour some sugar on me. Almost there. Almost there. Probably just cringing at what you see right now, but sorry, this is America. We like sugar here. Whew, man, no idea what I'm doing right now. No idea. But this is the last morsel of cereal. Oh, that is some serious cracklage right there. Give the video a thumbs up if you knew it was coming. Oh my gosh, that was a lot of food. People, if you enjoyed the video, let me know down in the comments below. I hope you guys have an amazing 4th of July whenever you do see this. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you guys get notified whenever a future upload happens. Follow me on my social media if you haven't already. Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. You know the drill. I'll be back with another video. I love you guys very much. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Go right ahead.